Hi, I am JANHRI A KHADOTKAR from B.TECH, Maharashtra. I completed my B.TECH from KPHB Institute of Technology and Science, Ramtek. And after that, I came here in Hyderabad to join Qspiders in the month of November. After the month of November, I started training in the testing course. In testing course, like I have completed SQL, which is taught by Vaibhav sir, and another one is manual testing, which is taught by Vishnu sir and Hemant sir. The faculties are so good. They approach us for the placement. They will teach us very nicely. In that we have like grooming session. If we are having push for any requirements, so in grooming they will teach how to explain, how to communicate with the teams and all. And in presentation, every day we have presentation of 2 hours. And after that, about the HR, like when we are getting any company, so like HR tells us in very well, she will telling like each and everything about company, how you have to tell and what's about company, what you think you have to take, each and everything. So I got placed in the company.